It's Chippy from ultrabooknews.com and umpcportal.com, and today we're going to take a look, as part of our sort of Intel software series that we're doing with Intel, going to take a look at one of the apps that's been built with touch in mind. It's something we've touched on a couple of articles recently, and this one's called Subway Surfers. It's available in the Appup store, and if I come out of here and zoom in, I'll just show you where you can get that. So if you go to appup.com, you'll get to download the Appup store. Have a look in the touchscreen app section and you'll find Subway Surfers in there. You can download it, it's free at the moment, and it's a pretty good game. And I just want to show you quickly in this video how it works and how it uses sort of touch and how it makes consideration of different form factors and different usage scenarios as well. So let's just take a closer look. So I've got it working here on a Windows Clover Trail tablet here from Intel. So let's just come out of there and just show you that it's a Windows 8 tablet for Windows 8 there, using the desktop and Intel Appup. I'm able to run the app. Actually, I've got the startup in Windows 8 app section, but just to show you that it works on the Clover Trail platform. But what I've got behind that is very interesting Ultrabook Convertible, which, although I've got the kind of lighting set so that you can see the screen here, but I'm sure you'll be able to see me do that, right? So there is the Lenovo Yoga 13. And of course it's a full Windows 8 laptop. Let me just show you the app on that. Just before we kick that off though, just want to show you some of the operating modes of the Lenovo Yoga. This is it flipped back in a tablet mode. There's a kind of easel mode as well. You'll see the screen rotate there. You can have it as a tablet. You can have it as a portrait tablet as well. And you can also have it as a laptop. So really multi-mode, multi-scenario device here. Let's have a look at the app though. So here is Subway Surfers, and it's got touch controls, it's got sensor controls, and it's got cursor controls as well. Let me just show you the touch controls here. So tap to play, and you'll get the idea of the app pretty easy. Now, what is very good is that you can just sit in this sort of laptop mode and use the sides of the screens to, let's try that again, to jump, to go left, to go right. The idea, of course, is to dodge the trains, collect the coins, jump over the obstacles, and try and collect the bonuses as well. So here we go. And it's pretty responsive as well, so, oops. Right, so that's touch control. Let me flip it over and show you the other types of control. So the other good thing about this is that you can actually play it when you're using it as a laptop as well, because you only need just these sort of hotspots on the right hand side to play. There's no specific areas of the screen, and you can use 2 fingers as well to double tap. Oops, double tap should give me a hoverboard, I think. Oh, tricks! Okay, so of course if you're playing it like that, you can get back to work pretty quickly as well. So here we are in portrait mode, and although it's not stretched the actual graphics to fill the screen, it's kept the same aspect ratio. It works pretty well. Okay, let's see if I can demonstrate movement control as well. A little bit harder actually, movement control. Oops. You probably will find it easier to use. You'll probably find it easier to use. There we go. To use the touchscreen controls there. Let me just get that back into the proper windowed mode, full screen. Come on. Okay. Try that again with movement. There we go. I definitely need some practice with the movement side of things. So there you are, Subway Surfers available on Intel Appup store, appup.com. Touch-enabled game that allows you to play in different modes and different form factors. Takes into account sensors as well, so movement sensors, although I find the touch controls way easier than anything else. Actually, it doesn't have, it doesn't have keyboard control as far as I can tell, so then maybe that's something that does need to be added in for people that don't have touch, otherwise you're not going to be able to play it. So on ultrabooknews.com we're going to be looking at a few more apps in the coming weeks that take into account touch and sensors, and mostly from the Intel Appup store, but there are some in the Windows 8 store we want to have a look at as well. But check out the Appup store because there's quite a few things free at the moment in the Appup store. And if you're thinking of developing for Ultrabooks, think about touch, think about sensors, think about the different modes, so portrait mode, landscape mode, rotated, even windowed mode as well. This isn't a Windows 8 app, this is a desktop app, but if you're running a Windows 8 desktop app, then you need to consider a windowed mode as well. So check out ultrabooknews.com for more. Thanks for watching. That was Subway Surfers on the Lenovo Yoga 13.